Hi friends, welcome to Kiddo Kids. Okay, so today is Wednesday and I'm really happy because my exams are over. So I guess same with you all also because I think your exams are also over, I guess. So most of you. So I'm just thinking how will I spend my time in holidays and all. So I'm just planning of it and all. Other thing is, if you're a good artist, you can send your drawings and paintings in kiddokids@ntvua.com. Okay, the main thing I want to tell you is that nowadays it's holiday and most time you'll be staying at home only, right? So most of our parents are working and all those, so that we are alone always. So we should be more careful while we are alone. So I'll give you some tips on safety and first aid today. Okay, now let's go for a caller. Hello. Hello. Okay. What's your name?
Johan.
Johan. Hi, Johan.
Hi.
How are you?
Fine.
Okay. Did you play with your friends today in the class and all?
Yeah.
Okay. In the break time, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So your revision is happening or as usual?
Exam started today.
Exam started today. Okay. How was the exam?
Good.
Good. Okay. So which subject was it?
English.
English. Okay. So Johan.
Yeah.
Okay. So can you tell me some safety tips?
Huh?
Safety, like how will you be safe and all?
For what? Like,
Anything. Say something on road or something.
okay, always cross the road at the zebra crossing.
Okay. One more.
On when you're crossing a road, if there's no zebra crossing, you should look to the left, then to the right, then again to the left. If no vehicle is coming, you can cross.
Yeah, they are good points only. They're really important.
Huh?
They're really important.
Yeah.
Okay. So Johan, now let's move on to a game.
Okay.
Okay, which game do you want to play?
Atlas.
Atlas. Okay. Everyday Atlas.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, then you start.
America.
America. Argentina.
Huh?
Argentina.
A.
Yeah.
Asia.
Asia. Afghanistan.
And Norway.
Norway. Why? Yemen.
And New York.
And New York. Kuwait.
Kuwait. T.
Yeah. You know the capital of Japan?
Huh?
You know the capital of Japan?
No.
Okay, no problem. It's fine. It was a nice game only.
Yeah.
Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Then Johan, bye.
Bye.
Okay, that was Johan who called us. He loved to play Atlas always. So, okay. Now, I'll tell you some safety tips on fire. What will you do? Okay. On fire, mainly these fires are caused from like some electrical faults or while careless while handling fire. Like candles, matchsticks and all. If it fell down from your hand and all, a fire can be caused, isn't it? Then accidents or any gas leaks. Gas leaks are a major thing. So we'll move on to it. Before that, we'll talk about the general thing, like how to prevent fire. Okay, the preventing fire is easy, but you have to just follow the rules. That's all. So never wear a nylon or any synthetic clothes while cooking or handling fire, because these clothes can easily catch fire. So that's what one thing. Then always be careful while handling fire. So always be a little cautious. So now let's go for a caller. Hello.
Hello.
What's your name?
Mariam.
Mariam. Hi, Mariam.
Hi.
You called me before?
No.
Your first time
First
calling?
time.
First time.
Yeah.
Okay. Which grade you are in?
I'm in 5th grade.
Fifth grade. Which school?
Our own English high school.
Dubai or Sharjah?
Dubai.
Dubai. Okay. You're in which section?
5N.
5N. Okay. So, any of your friends' name can you say?
Huh?
Any of your friend?
Nandana.
Nandana. Okay. So, exams over, right?
Yeah, today.
Free.
Yeah.
Okay. So, what are you planning for your holidays?
Yeah, I'm going to India.
You're going to India. Okay. So, you're going to meet your cousins and all?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, Mariam.
Yeah.
So, which subject do you like the most?
I like maths.
Maths. Okay. Who is your maths teacher?
Anbu ma'am.
Okay. So, Mariam,
Yeah.
which exam did you feel so easy? Which subject?
I felt Arabic as the easiest one.
Okay. So, any other than that, any subject?
Maths and English.
Math and English. So, science and all
Yeah.
was hard for you?
It was okay only. You was the easiest one, so easiest one was there.
Okay. So, Mariam, let's go for a game now.
Yeah.
Which game do you want to play?
Atlas.
Atlas is over.
Okay, then which games do you have?
Connection is there, riddles are there, GK is there, memory is there, tongue twister is there, then spelling, sentence making, yeah,
You can play memory game.
memory game. You know the rules?
Could you tell?
Okay, I don't know whether you know the game, but still, I'll again rewind it. See, if suppose if the topic is fruits for today.
Okay.
Okay, for example, the game's topic is fruits. I mean, not the topic is fruits. Okay, so if I say apple and you will say apple or orange or any other fruit, do you like?
Okay.
Okay, then I'll say apple, orange, and whichever fruit I like to say.
Okay.
Okay,
First.
you understood?
Yeah.
Okay, then will you start or I'll start? Hello?
Yeah.
Yeah, don't listen to the TV, okay? Listen to me.
Yeah, I'm listening to you.
Okay, will you start or I'll start?
You start.
Okay, I'll start. Okay, so today's topic is birds.
Okay.
Okay, so I'll start with parrot.
Parrot, peacock.
Parrot, peacock, crow.
Parrot, peacock, crow.
Crow,
Pigeon.
pigeon.
Yeah.
Parrot, peacock, crow, pigeon, and what will I say? Okay, ostrich.
Huh?
Ostrich.
Okay. Parrot, peacock, crow,
Crow.
penguin. Ostrich.
No, not penguin.
Yeah.
Not penguin. I told something.
Okay.
You told something else.
Yeah.
It's pigeon.
Emma. Yeah.
Pigeon and
Pigeon and ostrich.
ostrich, and you have to say any other bird.
Ostrich and. One second, let me think. I didn't get anything.
Okay. Maybe you told that bird now, just now, right? Instead of pigeon, you told something.
Penguin.
Yeah. Okay. So parrot, then peacock, crow, pigeon, ostrich, penguin, and oh, okay, it's back to me now. Okay. Dove.
Okay. Parrot, peacock,
Crow.
pigeon,
Crow.
crow, pigeon,
Yeah.
ostrich,
Okay.
dove,
No, penguin.
Penguin down.
Yeah, any other one more.
Okay, now it's my turn. Let me think. Cuckoo.
Cuckoo. Oh, okay, that was a nice game.
Okay.
Okay, maybe this will help you to practice your memory, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so when will your school reopen? You have any idea of it?
Yeah, April 1st.
Okay, then you're going to grade 6, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so Mariam, then bye.
Bye.
Okay, that was Mariam who called us. She played memory game. Okay, then let's go back to our topic. So it's actually fire. Fire safety is a very important factor in our life. In case of a gas leak, what will you do? In case of a gas leak, all doors and windows should be opened. One should not strike a matchstick or operate a switch on or off in case of a fire. This is because electrical switches can generate sparks which is being switched on or off. Faulty gas pipes have to be replaced. So the next one, electrical appliances and wiring should always be checked because the plastic covering of the wire can break down and also like break away or tear away, or so this some fire can also happen. So now let's go for a caller. Hello.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello.
What's your name?
My name is Sana.
I didn't get your name.
Sana.
Sanab.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Sanab or Sana?
Sana.
Sana. Okay.
Yeah.
So, hi Sana.
Hi.
How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Okay. Which grade you are in?
Still I'm not studying.
Sorry?
Still I'm not studying. I completed my graduation now.
Oh, okay.
I
So,
like it program. That's why I told you.
okay. So your first.
Presentation is very nice. That's why I call it.
Okay. So you like the program?
Yeah, very much.
Okay. So now only you got the call, or you're a regular watcher or
Yeah,
something?
I'm a new continue all the program.
Okay. So Sana,
What's your good name, please?
my name.
Yeah?
My name is Shivananda.
Okay, fine. You are studying in?
I am studying in grade 5.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So now you have holidays or you are with your classes?
Sorry?
Now you have holidays or you have your classes?
No, I'm in holidays.
Okay. So enjoying, right?
Yeah, enjoying.
Okay. So then, how many members are there in your family?
In my family, it's 2 members.
3 members. So you are one and the only child?
No, I have one brother, as younger brother. Sorry,
Okay.
4.
4 members. Yeah, that's what I was
Yeah.
thinking.
Yeah.
Okay. What's your brother's name?
My brother's name is Muhammad.
Mohammed.
Yeah.
Okay. He's in which grade, or he's older than you?
He's now 2.5 years old.
Oh, so small, right?
Yes, this one.
Okay. So say him a hi from me.
Yeah, of course.
Okay. So, Sana,
Yeah.
yeah, which game do you want to play?
I like tongue twister.
Tongue twister. Okay. Which tongue twister? I'll give you a hard one or a easy one.
Easy.
Okay. Okay. Here is your tongue twister.
Yeah.
Double bubble gum.
Double gum.
Bubbles double.
Double.
Bubbles double.
Okay. Double gum. Double.
No, you're wrong.
Sorry.
Double bubble gum. Bubbles double.
Double gum.
Yeah.
Bubble double.
Bubbles double. It's bubbles, not bubble. Bubbles.
Bubbles double.
Yeah. You have to say fast 3 times.
Yeah. Double bubble gum. Bubbles double.
Okay. 2 more times.
Double bubble gum. Bubbles double. Double bubble gum. Bubbles double.
Yeah.
Double bubble gum. Bubbles double.
Okay, that was easy one, right?
Yeah, easy one.
Yeah, so what to do? Okay. So anyway, you said the tongue twister so fast. Okay.
Yeah.
So I can't say this tongue twister. I'm not a good tongue
It's
twister.
easy. That's what.
Yeah?
It is very easy tongue twister, you think.
Okay, next time when you call, I'll prepare a tough one. Don't worry.
Okay.
Okay.
That's fine.
Okay, then Sana, bye.
Yeah, okay, bye.
So Sana who called us, I guess she's a bit elder, but still she played the tongue twister nicely. I can't say the tongue twister so fast and all. Okay. Now a fire can be put off in different ways. The fire can be either put off from a special instrument called fire extinguisher. In case of a fire, it can be switched off from the you can pour water and finish the fire. Now, if it is a major fire, inform a fire station, or then the fireman will come and the fire people, all those will come and they will put off with the fire engines. Even they will use that fire extinguisher and all. So now let's go for a rhyme now.